Auntie, good morning.
Morning, what is it?
Are we current?
Since when you dey vex, forget it, I'll just tell that brother.
Wait now, Philip, you can take things serious. Which brother?
Did I tell you any brother now, Auntie Chelsea? It's good to listen well before saying. I was only trying to tell you, don't bother.
Winnie, I can give you poo biscuit. That my foreign biscuit. Tell me which brother now.
Since you are desperate to know, when we get the biscuit, we will tell you.
Too fast.
What is biscuits? Maybe these children have better clients wey send them message.
She what?
Hope these biscuits get taste.
She what?
That brother wey say may you come here, I don't even know your name. He say may you dress up in the come.
My correct guy. You see this biscuit na small thing. In fact, I go give you money. Let me hurry and go. What is doing this man? My makeup is even spoiling.
Are you ready?
I've been waiting for you since. Let's go, please.
I'm sorry for delaying you. I won't waste time. Just to connect to the water so that it won't be leaking again.
I don't get you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm the plumber that your landlord asked me to fix the tank. So I was around the neighborhood. I told your neighbor to help me inform you to wait for me.
Philip, where is that idiot?
Auntie Chelsea.
Shut up. Who is your auntie?
Jesus!
Why did you tell me it was the plumber?
No, you are still owing me money. You haven't told me who the brother is.
Give me back my biscuit.
How? Which biscuits? Brother, talk to this auntie or let her pay me my money. When she was busy promising me money, she didn't even think twice.
Please show me where the tap is leaking. I don't have much time.
She what?
You ate my biscuit, my Chinese biscuit. I will deal with you today. Let me finish with this man first.
Whether it's one you is expecting or not, pay me my money.